What's going on, guys? Welcome back to yet another video of Gotti's Garage. And in this video, if you saw the last video, we put the Flowmaster on the 2017 Silverado. And if you guys need to pick up a sticker like that, because why not? So in this video, this truck is a true dual exhaust, or not the true dual exhaust, but it goes from a single to a dual exhaust. And they have little like mesh things on there that quiets the muffler tone down. So we're gonna do like a before and after video. But pretty much what we're going to do, instead of cutting that pipe and welding a new one on, we're going to use some HVAC heat tape, like aluminum tape and stuff, and we're going to tape that and show you the sound difference. And this is like a better option, other than, like, say if you don't like it, it's too loud or something like that, you can peel the tape off and you didn't just do all that work for no reason. So let's do a sound clip. So this is just the Flowmaster, you know, in a place of the regular exhaust. Okay, so now we're gonna tape up those little resonator mesh things, whatever they're called exactly. But we're gonna tape those up and see if it makes a sound difference. So we're gonna clean off the surface just so the tape sticks to it a little bit better. And this is what I'm talking about. So if you have the dual exhaust like this, you'll have these little mesh things, and then all you had to do is tape those off. So we're gonna go try to do that.